experience.
Did you enjoy the food?
Yes, I did. I'm a big fan of Asian food.
They didn't feed you snails?
No.
And dogs?
No, I was careful. No, but it was a really rewarding experience, and being a part of something this big and representing your country, even your province, is something. It's something words can't even express. It's just amazing. Yes, and I feel like if I can make a difference like this, if I can be a part of something like this, I feel like so many more people can do it too. So I just want to encourage, if you have an idea, if you have an interest in science, you should go for it. You shouldn't hold back, you shouldn't feel discouraged, you should just take the world as it is, as your oyster, because you can do more than you can ever imagine. So, yeah.
So going forward, what can we expect from you?
For me?
Yeah, you know most that Phalo City is running out of water also, and we are told the E. coli level is very high. What can you say to that? We know that you are working with water, eh? So please talk to us.
Yeah, so my project doesn't deal necessarily with the whole water supply in the country, but some small part of it. So I think that even a small impact like this can have a bigger impact on a global scale. So if my project does make it that far, I feel like it would make a big difference.
If you can give other kids of your age just one liner to motivate them, what can you say? Yeah.
The world is an ocean of opportunities, so you shouldn't give up on anything. You shouldn't hold back, as I said. You should just go for it.
In the Science Expo, which was held in Beijing. So we are proud and delighted as a province for her ambassadorial role that she has also played. We still planning as a province to actually express our profound appreciations. The embassy is actually planning something else to actually acknowledge the exceptional performance that she has also displayed across the globe. Thank you very much.
A words of encouragement to other learners to follow suit, please.
There is also upcoming 2024 Expo, and I think we are going to be expressing and extending invitation to the rest of the other scientists, upcoming scientists, to actually participate in this global space, and we will encourage. And I think she will be a good ambassador to actually encourage the rest of other peers to participate as such. Thank you.